Di ko alam guys anong ginagawa ko sa aking vlog. Pero kung meron kayong nagti-video sa akin, tapos hawak ko tong ano ko, extender ko, para akong namimingwit. Asan na? Para akong namimingwit. Asan na? Kita pa ba ako? Asan na ako? Asan na ako? Kita pa ba ako? Asan na ako? May ambot na lang, oy. Nasaan na ako, oy? Bakit hindi ko makita yung sarili ko na buo? Paano ko ba to ipaikot na nakikita ko ang sarili ko? So, hindi siya kailangan yung isa. Hindi yan. So, asan na ako? Uy, naunsa man ini. Uy! Kita pa ba ako yun? La 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 la. Hindi ko alam guys kung nakikita ko pa ba ang sarili ko sa tulay na ito. Nasaan na? Aroy, nahihilo na ako ang nahihilo sa ginagawa ko, uy. Asan na ako? Ayun, na Cebu Pacific! Asan na ang Cebu Pacific? Wala na. Ay, ambot. Bahala kayo dyan. Naghalo na yung ulan tsaka yung pawis. Rick. Hi guys. Kakatila lang ng ulan. Dito na sana ako sa may hanging bridge. Kaya lang umulan, so takbo ang lola niyo. Rick. So, ipakita ko sa inyo ang hanging bridge. Wait lang.
Sundown and salty cheese. It's not a cute look getting kicked out of the bar when you're no longer 19. Still acting like a child, feeling like nobody gets it. I always start these fights, don't hate my guts right now, 'cause I'm still figuring it out. You're the silver lining when I can't seem to find it. When the whole world is against me, you're not. Baby, you're the bright side when there's no goddamn sunshine. You're always around to pick me up. You're the silver lining. You're the silver lining. Small talk on busy streets. Right now I don't even know if I deserve you. Sometimes I wonder what you see, 'cause I'm still acting like a child. Yeah, you always see the best in me. I always start these fights.
Hello guys. Salamat naman at uminom. Tumila na ang ulan. Huwag ka matumba ha. Pag ikaw natumba, welcome to New Agutaya Hanging Bridge. Diba? Naalog siya guys. Boses. Super layo. Diba? Ganda. Grabe na alog. Ang ganda, pero naalog siya guys. Oh my goodness. Ang ganda. Pero, kung takot ka sa height, or kung ikaw yung taong, teka lang, babalik muna ako. Kung ikaw yung taong takot sa height, yung alog pa lang niya, matatakot ka na. Ang ganda. Dito lang yan sa New Agutaya. San Vicente, Palawan. Ito na naman ako. Tabingi ata yung ano ko eh. Baliktad. Hindi ko man makbit. Ay, ate. Hindi ko makita. Paano ito? Wala rin siyang remote. Ay, naulan na.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. Yeah, you know what he says, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset.
Asan na?
You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the fuck-ups, breakups, bumps in the road we've been until
Ayun na naman siya. Ulan na naman.
we keep crashing down. But baby, we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. It's you and I. You won't say it out loud, but I can tell you're not fine. 'Cause
Tapos nasabit dito sa kurente. Ay!
I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell.
Are you recording or what?
I know
Yes, you are recording.
is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises,
Ay, nagduko. Ay, nagduko.
all the fuck-ups, breakups, bumps in the road we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby, we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours to mine. It's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I. You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. Yeah, you know
Hi, kuya.
it's a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back.
Ayun.
That's how
Napagod ako.
this is
Yun lang naman ang ginawa ko.
All the shares, every single tear, all the regrets and promises,
Feeling ko parang pumayat ako sa ginawa ko.
all the fuck-ups, breakups, bumps in the road. We've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, you're a smile.
Nakakahingal.
It's you and I.
Nakakahingal yung ginawa ko. Ay. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo itong aming hanging bridge dito sa New Agutaya. And, wala lang. Ang cute lang niya. So, that's it, guys. This is Aklanon Ged Official. And don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Hiningal ako. At saka, don't forget to hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video. Paalam!